Okay, so this is Scion Xb. Okay, and I want to replace my speakers, and that's the new ones I got. And it said that they fit, but they actually don't. As you can see, the connection is different, but I will try to install this right here, cut this out right there, and somehow attach this right here. Okay, as you can see, I drilled out these right here. Okay, just using a drill like this, and I want to install rivet nuts right here so I can replace it when I need to. See, I drilled holes right here and installing the rivet nuts. And that's it, guys. It's that simple. As you can see, looks pretty good. So I'm just cutting out the old speaker. I also unsoldered it right here. Now I'm trying to feed the new speaker here. Okay guys, as you can see, I put it right on top. Just make sure you get it centered, like really centered. Okay, and I'm using screws. Well, it didn't work here as much, but it will still hold. Okay, I'm gonna use all 4 screws. You can drill holes first, it would be easier, like thin holes. Okay, one more. So what I noticed is that this piece is removable, or maybe it was glued before, but it comes off. So you can use some kind of glue to glue it, or use hot glue to go like around right here and around right here before you actually install the speaker. Now I just need to connect these wires right here. I need to find out which one is negative and which one is positive. But on the speaker it does say the positive is right here and the negative is right here. Okay, and as you can see, I can use the same connection from my car. Guys, as you can see, so I connected this wire right here. So pretty much this is where the positive is and the negative. So I connected this one to this one and this one to this one. Otherwise, even though it says like positive is this one, I tried like this one's positive, but once you install the speaker, the sound goes right here. So but I need the sound to go this way, so that's how I connect it. As you can see, it fits good, nothing's touching. Okay, so if this video was helpful, like the video and also subscribe to my channel.